Hello everyone, myself Professor P.T. Ule from the KKWA College of Agriculture Biotechnology Nashik. Today we will discuss on the classes of improved seeds. Before start classes, some basic information need to be studied. What is meant by seed? In that, seed is a material which is used for planting or regeneration purpose. Or another way, seed is a fertilized mature wool together covered with seed coat is called as seed, or it is a propagating material. You see the figure of seed. It includes endosperm, seed coat, cotyledon, epicotyl, hypocotyl or radicle, etc. Technological point of view, the seed is the fertilized ripened wool consisting of three main parts, namely seed coat, endosperm and embryo, which is due course gives rise to a new plant. Seed also refers to propagating material of healthy seedling, tubers, bulbs, rhizome, roots, cuttings, seeds, all types of grafts, and vegetatively propagating materials used for production purpose. You see the some seeds or vegetable propagated crops: potato bulb, garlic bulb, turmeric rhizome, and rose cutting. Then another topic is the classes of seed. The classes of seeds includes four stages, that is the nucleus seed, breeder seed, foundation seed and certified seed. There is a general figure. In that, nucleus seed stage first, stage second, breeder seed stage first, stage second, foundation seed stage first, stage second, certified seed stage first, stage second. The stage second indicate or allowed only when a class of seed is in short supply, then we are process the production of stage second. The first one, nucleus seed, in that produced from basic nucleus stock produced by the original breeder, that is institute, state agriculture universities, then small scale multiplication, pedigree certificate issued by breeder. The general standards mainly genetically purity, that is 100%, physical purity, that is 100%, minimum germination, that is 100%, and maximum inert matter, that is 0%. Second thing or second stage, that is the breeder seed, that is the important objectives. The breeder seed is the progeny of nucleus seed and is multiplied in large area as per intent of Department of Agriculture and Cooperation, that is DOAC, Ministry of Agriculture, Government of India, under supervision of Plant Breeder Institute, state agriculture universities, and monitored by a committee consisting of the representatives of State Seed Certification Agency, National State Seed Corporation, ICR nominee and concerned breeder. Golden yellow color certificate is issued for the breeder seed, and no color tag is issued for nucleus seed. The general standards for breeder seed is genetical purity is 100%, physical purity 100%, minimum germination 100%, and maximum inert matter 0%. This is a golden yellow tag for breeder seed. You see in that this is a sample tag from the Tamil Nadu Agriculture University, Coimbatore. You see the class of seed as a breeder seed and content, the germination, physical purity, genetic purity, lot number, class of seeds, variety, crop, etc. are the mandatory on this tag. Then foundation seed, it is the progeny of breeder seed produced by recognized seed producing agencies in public and private sectors under the supervision of certification agencies. The large scale multiplication white color certificates is issued. In that breeder seed the golden yellow color tag used, and in foundation seed the white color tag is issued, and it is general standards for the foundation seeds are genetically purity, that is the 97 to 98%, physical purity more than 98%, 95%, minimum germination 7 to 85%, and maximum inert matter is 2%. And the isolation distance is required for self-pollinated crop is 50 to 150 meter, and cross-pollinated crops is 60 to 1200 meter. The isolation distance means the distance between two adjacent plot is known as isolation distance. This is a sample card or sample tag of foundation seeds which is issued for the foundation seed, and in that tag number, then kind, variety, lot number, then class of seed, certificate number, date of issue of certificate, date of test, then certificate valid up to, and valid of certificate further extended up to. This is a mandatory on this certificate. Then last one, certified seed. It is the progeny of foundation seed. In that, produced by the registered seed growers under the supervision of seed certification agencies, meant for distribution to the farmers for the commercial cultivation. Azure blue color certificate is issued, and large scale multiplication is mandatory. The general standards for these general genetically and physical purity near about 98%, minimum germination 60 to 80%, and maximum inert matter 2%. The required isolation distance for the self pollinated in 50 to 30 meter, 300 meter, and cross pollinated requires 600 to 1600 meter. The color of tag for the certified seed is azure blue color, as compared to foundation seed is required white color of tag, and then breeder seeds require golden yellow tag, and no color tag issue for the nucleus seeds and also called basic seed. The information on the label of the certified seed is species, that is a botanical name, then cultivar name, that is a variety, then category, reference number, date of issue of the certificate, then certified seed. It includes kind, variety, certificate number, etc. The types of seeds, there are two types, that is the monocots and dicots. In monocots, embryo with single cotyledon, and dicots includes two cotyledons. Usually endospermic in monocots and usually non-endospermic except castor seed. In monocot, germination usually hypogeal, that is expressed in onion, and germination usually epigeal. In dicots, monocots flower parts in multiple of 3 and it is multiples of 4 or 5. Roots are advantageous. Roots are developed from radicle. The major leaf veins are parallel. The major leaves are reticulated. Secondary growth absent. Secondary growth often present. Examples, that is the grain, that is wheat, corn, rice, millet, sugar cane, banana, ginger, onion, grass. And dicot examples are legumes, that is it includes peas, beans, lentils, peanuts, mint, lettuce, tomato, oak, tree, etc. This is some diagrammatic, that is monocots and dicots. This is important, and you again overlook these. We will study the today we will discuss on the classes of seeds. It includes nucleus seed, is also called as basic seed, then breeder seed, foundation seed, and certified seed. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe for more updation of videos or lectures. Thank you so much.